Imagine this. You spend years studying or building a business, and one day, it's all replaced. Not by a person, not by a competition, but by AI. No warning, no second chance. Now, here's the part most people don't realize. AI isn't coming for everyone. It's coming for people with the wrong skills. So the real question is, are you preparing for a future that won't exist, or building skills that will survive no matter what? This is a story about three people: a student, an entrepreneur, and someone who became both. They all started in the same place, learning, building, chasing success. But when AI entered the picture, everything changed. First, Alex, top student, perfect grades, did everything right, got a solid job. Then AI showed up. It could analyze, write, solve faster than him. And suddenly, all those years of memorizing weren't enough. Then Jordan, an entrepreneur, always chasing trends, new tools, new platforms, new strategies. When AI exploded, Jordan jumped in, but so did everyone else. Same tools, same outputs, no differentiation. Business slowed, then stalled. And then there was Sam. Sam didn't follow the same path. Sam noticed something early. The world doesn't reward what you know. It rewards how fast you can adapt. As a student, Sam didn't just study to pass. He learned how to learn. As an entrepreneur, he didn't build rigid systems. He built flexible ones. When AI tools arrived, he didn't resist them. He used them. He evolved with them. While others asked if AI would replace them, Sam asked how he could use it to get ahead. Because here's the truth. AI follows patterns, but humans can change them. And the people who win are the ones who adapt before they're forced to. But adapting wasn't enough, because there was something AI still couldn't do, something that made Sam valuable everywhere he went. Sam could communicate, not just talk, but connect. As a student, he could explain complex ideas simply. As an entrepreneur, he could sell, persuade, and build trust. When others relied on AI to write for them, Sam learned how to think and express. And here's the difference. AI can generate content, but it can't build real trust. It doesn't understand people. It doesn't feel emotion. It doesn't influence decisions. And whether you're trying to get a job, build a business, or grow an audience, your success depends on how well you connect with people, not machines. But everything changed in one moment, the moment most people would have missed. Sam was working on a major project, high stakes. AI gave a perfect solution, clean, efficient, logical. Everyone trusted it, except Sam. Something felt off. So instead of accepting the answer, he questioned it, analyzed deeper, looked beyond the output, and found a critical flaw, a mistake that could have cost everything. That's the third skill, judgment. AI gives answers, but it doesn't understand consequences. It doesn't take responsibility. It doesn't ask if this is actually right. Only humans do that. Sam didn't stand out because he had answers. He stood out because he knew when not to trust them. And in a world full of AI-generated everything, that ability becomes priceless. Years later, Alex kept trying to catch up. Jordan kept chasing the next trend. But Sam became the person people relied on, not because he avoided AI, but because he mastered what AI can't replace: adaptability, communication and influence, judgment. So whether you're a student choosing what to learn or an entrepreneur building something real, the future doesn't belong to the most technical. It belongs to the most human. So ask yourself, are you building skills AI can do, or skills it never will, because that decision will define your future. If this changed how you see the future, like this video, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe for more content on the skills, mindset, and strategies you need to stay ahead. Because the future is already here. And the only question is, are you ready for it?